Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to automatically drag the numbers in particular column. So I have the product numbers in A column and I have quantity in B column. I have the sum of these two in C column. As you can see, the formula says A2 plus B2, which is actually the sum of 10 plus 1. So if you want to drag automatically, all you need to do is go to this cell corner and then you will see a plus symbol and you can do a double click and then automatically the numbers will pop up. This trick actually works when there are other cells already filled. Let's say if these cells are not here and if there are blanks right before this column, this formula actually do not work. For this, you need to do is go to the bottom of the column which is already filled and come here and then shift control up. Then all these cells are selected. All you need to do is control D. Then you can autofill all these numbers. There is one more way that you can do is similarly, instead of doing control D, all you can do is select the entire columns or cells. Then you can do control enter. Then also it will automatically drag the formula and the fill up